obuhereza bwo kukyebera Ekookoro mu bakazi hamwe no kubashomesa ebikwatira inene Ekookoro obutebeekanisi bwa Uganda Rural Development and Training Program bakwatanise n'aba Female Cancer Foundation hamwe n'ekitongole ky'ebyamagara.
On a monthly basis in Kagadi and Kakumiro, we can refer around 3 or 4 women. But of course, most of them it is cervical cancer suspects, not confirmed, but they are always suspects.
URDT has been providing this service for quite a long time, and we are now in a campaign, and we are now training our VHTs to go and train other VHTs and the community members to make sure that these mothers are mobilized, the communities are informed, they are sensitized on the deadly cancer disease.
Dr. Robert Senteza orukure by'obuhereza bw'ebyamagara mu byaro yagira ngo nebetenga kushomesa abantu na munonga ahaburwire obu.
But a district like Kakumiro has 24 lower local governments, so accessibility there you see there is still a challenge. But of course even a lion, an elephant is eaten starting with a piece. Let's first embrace the 5 and the 4, consolidate the gains from this, then we scale out. So
of course, the positivity rate is not all that high. It's now 4%, and we feel we have sensitized people enough, and they feel they can access these services. And the most important thing is the accessibility of the services.
Omuganda omuri Kamwenge abebembezi bakwatanise n'ekigombe ky'aba Lions Club bajanjaba abaana babishya endwara y'Ekookoro ey'omuna gwa nyinenda.
Participating in sexual activities or sexual intercourse early, you are at high risk of getting cervical cancer. Girls, females, but cervical cancer is spread by boys or men. They are the ones that have that microorganism.
Aba bari kubuganaho abeegi borekire ku endwara y'Ekookoro y'omunwa gwa nyinenda ngu nejanjabwa aha myaka mito kandi nikwe kurabura abeegi okwetantara okwejumbira omu kuteerana n'abashaija bingi ngu nikiija kubarugiriramu okutunga Ekookoro.
Now suppose by bad chance you had a sexual encounter with a boy who was harboring the microorganism that causes cervical cancer. Now what comes in? You get real cancer.
That is why we have come here, to make sure that your teachers, the management of the schools, we have to inculcate in you the attitude of working together.
Nabwanyuma aba batungwize w'ihuriro ryo kubyara emiti nk'akamanyiso ko kurinda eby'obuhangwa. Gasha kwa Ambrose n'uwagaba Katoto na Anthony Twine.